Hey guys, it's Jay from Htvmax. Today we're gonna press a DTF. My assistant here, Iris. And this one's gonna go on a white shirt. We're gonna go ahead and what we usually do is use the lint roller and we go ahead and try to get all that lint out. And then we're gonna pre-press. So this is gonna be a whole video, guys, so just bear with us. And it's live. Stuff is going around the shop. There's printing and DTF going on. We do have gang sheets and orders going on right now. So as you can see, we pre-pressed. And from the pre-press, they're gonna line it up really quick. We use heat tape just so that the print won't move. That's a little trick that we do. We fold it in half just to see where the center point is. We use a ruler. We use a little piece of tape there. And we lift up just to make sure it looks straight. That print will not work because Canelo is white. I just saw that right now. So let's go ahead and do the other size while I get another color shirt. Okay, here we go. There's a black shirt, Iris. We're gonna do again, pre-press. Lint. We're gonna go ahead and do it. Pre-press part. As you can see, we do carry Stahl's Htvmax on Htvmax. This is the Fusion IQ, just in case you haven't seen it working. As you can see, it has a touch display there. It comes with its own little pencil. The touch display is very helpful. You can custom do a lot of things. Right here we have it 15. As you can see, we can go ahead and go down. Up, we can set up 2 different presses. One, we can do 15 seconds. The second one, we can do 5 seconds. So the second press for the print, and it registers that. It's a slide out and it swings away as well. The good thing about the Fusion IQ is that the bottom heats perfectly all around, so you don't have to worry about any print coming off. As you can see here, we already put tape on it. We measured, we put it in the center. We're gonna take it in, we're gonna press down. She went ahead and went really high on the print on purpose, so you can see that this press itself is gonna go ahead and heat on the edges the same amount as the center. So this is a hot peel. As you can see, look at the colors. It's black, and you can still see that the colors are very bright. This second press is for 5 seconds. Or maybe 3 if you want, but we'll do 5. That is our DTF. We make them here. We're gonna print another one, but I want to show you that, like, first of all, we have customer service. You call, you have any questions on DTF, we're here to answer the phone. We're not a company that takes hours and hours to try to answer. This was ordered April 30, 2024, which is today. It's already ready to go, and it's already ready to get shipped. Right now, they're gonna box it and go. All the orders already came out today, so that's something that we stride ourselves on, and make sure that everything goes out on time. We're gonna produce a white one with a bigger print here. Oh no, it's another black one. Here we go. This one's for me for the fight, so. Yeah, I'm that big. Lint. And we're gonna press. Again, the DTF settings are 285 We usually give it a little extra, about 2 more points on dark garments. Now we go to our little one there. If y'all ever try to grow into a big shop, guys, which I did, keep in mind what you invest in it is what you're gonna get back. So yes, I invested in Stahl's Htvmax because they're a really good press. Let's be honest, right? And I can assure myself that the Htvmax is gonna go ahead and do the job. I don't have to be worrying about the Htvmax not applying the presses and for the images to be falling off. I get a lot of customers that go to Htvmax contacting me saying, hey, I did specialty materials and it came off. I don't know how it doesn't come off. I go, what type of press you have? Oh, I bought an Amazon one, or I bought one on eBay. All those, unfortunately, don't create the correct pressure or the correct heat, guys. So if you don't have something that's correctly, that's stayed on correctly, it doesn't work correctly. You need to have the correct pressure. All heat transfer should not peel off. Should not peel off. The only reason it will peel off is 1, incorrect pressure. 2, the heat is not, the press itself, the heat element is not producing correct heat all around the press. Okay, so those are the 2 important things about pressing. Here we go back. She's gonna open up, and then, like I said, hot peel. Our images are all hot peel. You can go faster, right? There you go. Look at the color, guys. I mean, look at the gold right here. Our colors are bright, and we're like, it's here, like I'm touching it, it's hot. I'm not cutting the video or anything, it's raw. The video is raw. Every time they cut a video and then they show you that they're stretching, well, guess what? That stretch, I don't know if it's real or not, but look, I'm gonna go raw and I'm gonna stretch it right now. Look, that's stretched. I'm stretching it, I'm not scared of it, okay? Those are our DTF prints, okay? I'm not going like this. Wow. No, I'm stretching it. I'm stretching it. Why? Because I believe in my product. Okay? That's the difference. I'm not no huge company that hires actors. It is what it is, and if we do something wrong, guess what? We just fix it or learn how to go about it, you know? But that's what we have for DTF, guys. We're gonna upload this on YouTube. If you have any questions, htvmax.com. You can go to DTF On Demand. DTF On Demand, we have a tab where you upload the image. We print. We have 4 printers, and sneak peek, we have an XL print, guys, XL print. Well, I'm not gonna show you on this one. I'm gonna tease you a little bit. We'll see you next week.